Have you ever imagined analyzing your company's invoice database and SPED files using software that uses big data technology in the cloud? Connecting your database with the Go2Tax software, it will enable the generation of dashboards with ready tax analysis, developed by specialists in the tax area, generating insights from compliance and opportunities for tax savings. Your company can achieve the following results with the Go2Tax solution: savings in the payment of taxes, possibility to perform self-audit in your tax database, automation of your company's tax compliance, possibility of comparing the invoice data with the SPED files, analysis of SPED files. Optimize your company's productivity by performing data discovery in the information contained in the electronic invoices and in the SPED files. The information can be accessed from a desktop, a tablet, or cell phone, allowing information sharing between company professionals. Discover the Go2Tax solution and connect your company to the future of tax compliance.